guys, so I am back and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a look I posted on my makeup Instagram, and it's a look I'm really obsessed with, honestly, and I just been like really wanting to recreate it, and I really love it, and I think that it's super like cute for the springtime coming up if Texas would get it together and that it would be like not 60 degrees. I already have my like base makeup on, like foundation and like highlight and stuff. The first shade I'm going to start off with is from the ColourPop Cute AF Palette, and this palette is cute. Like, it's so cute. We're going to go in with this like really light pink shade, and I'm going to like zoom it in so you guys can see what I'm doing. I went to this second darker pink, which I think is called Champs, and I put that just like all in my crease to add some depth. This next one I'm going to go in is from the Anastasia Prism Palette, and we're going to use Eden, and that one is just a darker pink like the other ones. I'm going to go in with a denser but fluffy brush, if that makes sense. Left eye, as usual. Not that cute. So I'm going to go into the 35B palette just a little bit and take this like hot pink on this black small but dense brush and put it like right there, low in the crease, and then I'm going to blend it all in just to add a little bit more like pinkiness to it, if that makes sense, because the other shades are more like peachy pinks and this is a very pinky pink. I don't know if that made sense, but you know. It's time to cut the crease. I'm going to take my concealer, which is the Urban Decay Naked Skin one. But I'm just going to pack on this yellow. I'm going to take some glitter glue and the NYX Glitter, and I'm going to put that in the crease, and then I'm going to take this Real Techniques like detailed brush. Can you see how like extremely thin and tiny that is? But I'm going to take that brush to put it on. And then the lashes I'm going to be using are from Lash Dreams, and they're Muse. If you guys enjoyed this video, I really enjoy making these videos. I know I don't do them often, and I know I only get like 20 views on them, but like, I like doing it. I'm going to try to do it more. I say that every day to myself, and I say that every time I make a video, and I say that every time I post on my makeup Instagram. But my goal is to post every week, starting like in the summer. So when school gets out, I'm going to actually really try hard to be consistent and post. Till then, I'm just going to try to like make some more videos, get them out, whatever. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. See you later. Bye.